Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we'll see how to quick copy lines of the sale, purchase, invoice and below. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here this module Link Quick Copy Lines. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our mobile is installable. First go to purchase it and create new order. Select here vendor like Anuta and here add product like large cabinet with quantity and unit price. Let's save and display here this copy button. If you want to add this same line, so you can easily use this copy button instead of this manually. So now click on this copy button and display here this now added the same products line with same quantity and unit price. Now confirm this order. Now receive order and you gotta take this and create bill for this purchase order. And also noted here this creative vendor bill and display two product line with this same product quantity and price. And now I want to again add this same product. So use this copy button. And when you use this copy button, then easily edit here this large cabinet the same product instead of this manually edit. Now go to sell side and again create this new Odoo. Like add customer is a deco ID. Now add here this product like a block screen and see. Now use this copy button and edit here the same product in second line. Now confirm the sell order. We'll make this delivery order. And now create invoice for this sell order. So in this invoice line, we also display here this same product but two lines. And now I want to again copy this line for display in third line. And you can easily confirm with this invoice. So using this overhead, you can easily quick copy lines for the sale, purchase, invoice and billing instead of this manually adding. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.